Hi guys, so today I'm going to give you some information about Phicontour training. So Phicontour training is including eyeliner and lip shading. There are two different type of Phicontour courses. One is called standard, the other one is called starter. So if you have already experience doing permanent makeup, you can take the standard course. But if you don't have any experience and you are a beginner, you can take the starter training, which is 3 days live class and 6 months support on CraftMaster. Also, you receive a kit. So the kit is including all the materials that you would need to start. Also, you receive a simplicity machine in your kit as well. So you get all of these latex for practice, you get the marker, white marker, you get 3 pen for drawing. Also you receive the Wipe aftercare. You get all the pigments of Phicontour. So there are 4 different color of Phicontour. Also you get the eyeliner Phicontour pigment as well. You receive the aftercare skin candy and also black tonic. So depends on which kit you choose, you get a different machine. So if you are interested to take my training, I have one Zoom training coming up on November 27, and also I have a live training coming up on December 10, 11 and 12, which is in Toronto. So if you're interested, you can send me an email to info@mastershayli.ca and I'll send you all the details. Thank you.